choosing the right paint color for your bathroom can be a challenge. You want a space that feels comfortable, clean, and calming, while also making sure the paint holds up well in a high-moisture environment. In this video, we're sharing the best bathroom wall colors from Sherwin-Williams, a brand known for its exceptional quality and wide range of shades. Whether you're going for a bright and fresh look or something more warm and elegant, these color options are sure to elevate your bathroom design. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more home design inspiration, paint guides, and color tips. Although classified as a light gray, SW7064 Passive has subtle blue undertones that add depth to the color. This shade is perfect for those who want a bathroom with a calm and relaxing atmosphere. To create a more balanced look, pair it with crisp white trim and silver or chrome bathroom fixtures. If you're looking for a gray shade with warm undertones, Worldly Gray SW7043 is an excellent choice. This color not only brings life to your bathroom, but also adds an elegant and luxurious feel. Pair it with wood or marble elements for a more sophisticated look. Drift of Mist SW9166 is a soft gray that creates a light and inviting atmosphere. This color is ideal for bathrooms with limited natural light, as it won't appear too dark. When paired with white accents or light wood elements, it can transform your bathroom into a serene, spa-like retreat. If you're looking to create a modern and dramatic look in your bathroom, Tricorn Black SW6258 is a striking choice. This deep black is highly versatile and pairs beautifully with a variety of other colors. Combine it with white for a classic contrast, or with gold accents for a luxurious touch. If you want to create a bright and spacious feel in your bathroom, Creamy SW7012 is the perfect choice. This warm white shade brings a clean and refreshing atmosphere, ideal for bathrooms that need to appear more open and airy. It also pairs beautifully with wooden furnishings or decorative elements with gold accents for a more elegant look. If you prefer a warm and classic vibe, Accessible Beige SW7036 is the perfect choice. This versatile color works well for both interior and exterior spaces, making it suitable not only for bathroom walls, but also for elements like doors or storage cabinets. Just like Accessible Beige, Dover White SW6385 can also be used for both interior and exterior spaces. This white shade has a subtle hint of cream, creating a warmer ambiance compared to pure white. It's an excellent choice for bathrooms with a classic or farmhouse-inspired design. With a light reflectance value, LRV of 60, Agreeable Gray SW7029 offers the perfect balance between brightness and neutrality. This color isn't too dark, yet it still adds character to your bathroom walls. It's an excellent choice for those who want a gray tone that feels warm without appearing dull. If you're looking to create a calming atmosphere in your bathroom, Repose. Gray SW7015 is a perfect choice. This shade carries a subtle warmth that works well with a variety of interior styles. For a more elegant look, pair it with eider white trim and monochromatic bathroom accessories. Snowbound SW7004 is a white shade with a subtle hint of gray, making it a versatile choice for various bathroom designs. This color evokes the feeling of walking through a peaceful blanket of snow. It pairs beautifully with other gray tones or decorative elements in shades of blue for a cooler, more refreshing atmosphere. Choosing the right color for your bathroom can make a huge difference in creating the atmosphere you desire. Whether you're aiming for a clean and bright look, a warm and cozy vibe, or a bold and modern feel, Sherwin-Williams offers a wide range of shades to match your preferences, from the warm white of creamy SW7012, the elegant gray of worldly gray SW7043, to the dramatic black of tricorn black SW6258. These colors can help you design a bathroom that's both functional and beautiful. So, which color will you choose to elevate your bathroom?